meet our church number 2. Our church number 2 is a fitness model at Cuba Functional Fitness Gym, brand ambassador of Activo Fitness Gym Tago. Personal coach and fitness instructor at Healthy Fitness Achievement Center Rivera, Aldesa Fitness Hub, and JP Smash Vale Fitness Gym. For the runner-up of Mr. Pineapple Physique, category 2018, brand ambassador of Zamora, brand ambassador of Bolívar, brand ambassador of Squad Beast Fitness Apparel, model and endorser of Pink and White Synthetic Linen, brand ambassador of ODA Power, TikTok influencer and content creator, vlogger, YouTuber, almost 500,000 followers in Facebook, influencer, live streamer, in cool, Bigo and ladies and gentlemen, our church number 2 is no other than